Are you thinking about selling your Glendale home and wondering how to reach buyers outside of California? With Glendale's charm, thriving community, and proximity to Los Angeles, your home has so much to offer. The good news? You've come to the right place. I'm Dave Robles, and over the years, I've helped countless homeowners like you market their properties to out-of-state buyers. Today, I'll show you exactly how to make your home stand out to buyers relocating from other states and make the process smooth and successful. Let me share a quick story. One of my clients was relocating to the East Coast and was therefore interested in attracting buyers from outside of California to her home. By using the strategies I'm about to share, we had a serious offer within weeks from a buyer who found the home online and fell in love with Glendale's lifestyle. I also love the story of the Playboy Mansion, which had an international marketing plan behind it. It was eventually purchased by the next door neighbor. As marketers of real estate, we don't know exactly where the buyer will come from, but we must deploy all avenues of marketing to assure we're exposing the house to all the right buyers wherever they are. Now, if you want your home to be the next success story, stick with me because this is what I do. First, you start with an irresistible online listing. Out-of-state buyers rely on online listings to make their first impression. That means professional, top-notch photos, detailed descriptions, and virtual tours aren't optional, they're essential. Did you know that listings with virtual tours receive 87% more views than those without? For buyers who can't tour in person, a 3D tour or Matterport can be the difference between clicking away or reaching out and scheduling a showing. If this feels like a lot to manage, don't worry. My team specializes in creating compelling listings that attract attention nationwide. Next, use digital advertising to target online relocation buyers. Online advertising is a game changer. With targeted social media campaigns and search engine marketing, we can put your home in front of buyers searching for their next move. In fact, targeted advertising can increase your listing's visibility by up to 500%. That's why we use these strategies tailored to connect with serious out-of-state buyers actively looking for homes just like yours. Thinking of selling your home? Let us walk you through every step. Contact us today. Number 3, I like Glendale's lifestyle. Out-of-state buyers aren't just looking for a home, they're searching for a lifestyle. According to the National Association of Realtors, 23% of buyers relocate for work and 17% move to be closer to family. Glendale's proximity to LA's job center and its family-friendly neighborhoods make it an attractive choice for buyers relocating to the LA area. Showcase what makes Glendale special. Its vibrant downtown, top-rated schools, and outdoor recreation opportunities like nearby hiking trails and parks. My team knows how to bring these selling points to life in your listing. This is where Glendale shines, and my team knows how to highlight these features in a way that connects with buyers. It's not just about selling a house, it's about selling the experience of living here and the lifestyle the home will provide. Next, offer virtual showings and virtual open houses. For buyers who can't visit in person, virtual showings and open houses are invaluable. Platforms like Zoom or FaceTime let potential buyers see your home in real time and ask questions along the way. This approach has helped many of my clients close transactions quickly, even with buyers who've never set foot in Glendale. Next, go the extra mile by offering Relocation Resources. These are neighborhood guides, moving tips, and service recommendations, making your home stand out to buyers who are new to the area. These small touches show you're thinking of their needs, which can make a big difference. Like I said, this is what I do. Marketing your Glendale home to out-of-state buyers doesn't have to be complicated when you have the right strategies and the right team. If you're ready to take the next step, let's connect. My team and I are here to help you sell your home to the perfect buyer, no matter where they're located. Contact me today and let's make your Glendale home the next success story. I have another great video about selling your Glendale home, so check it out right here.